Audio Jungle.
Hey guys, in my last video I tested a bunch of AI models on things like knowledge, logic, and even coding. But this time we're switching it up. It's gonna be short, simple, and a little more creative. We have got two new challenges. First, who's the better writer? And second, who can build a cool HTML animation using just code? Let's see which model stands out. Alright, let's start with round 1, the writing test. Each AI will be given the same prompt: write a short emotional story under 150 words about a person leaving home for the first time. Let's see which one writes it best. Okay, that was seriously good. The emotions were real, the descriptions were soft and powerful, and that ending, it actually gave me goosebumps. ChatGPT is off to a good start, so let's move on to the next model. Wow, that was beautiful. It was shorter, but the words were so well chosen. That last line about the porch light, honestly, that hit hard. DeepSeek definitely delivered something deep and poetic here. Okay, Claude took its time with this one. The details were really vivid. The dog, the perfume, even the pencil marks on the wall. It felt like a real memory. That final line, it was soft but meaningful. Claude definitely knows how to paint a picture with words. That was a strong entry from Grok. It felt rich with emotion, and the little details made it feel alive. From the creaky porch to the smell of fresh bread, it all pulled me in. And the ending was really touching too. Grok definitely handled this one with care. Alright, time for round 2, something a little more visual. In this round, each AI was asked to generate a realistic HTML animation using only HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. The goal? A smooth animation of a rocket launching into space. Let's see which model can actually bring code to life. So, as always, the first AI that I'm gonna be asking to is ChatGPT, and let's see what the animation looks like. So here's the code it generated. So we have to click on the edit button to view it in canvas, and then click on the preview button to view the animation. So looks like the animation is not working, so ChatGPT failed this test. Now it is DeepSeek's turn, and let us see if it actually works or not. So here's the code that DeepSeek generated. So for running it, we have to click on the Run HTML button. So let's see what the animation looks like. So it has a countdown and it is not lifting off, means that this animation failed. So DeepSeek failed this test. Now it is time for Claude to see if it actually works. I think it's gonna work because Claude has better reasoning skills compared to ChatGPT and DeepSeek, so let's see what it looks like. Now let's click on the Launch Rocket button and see what it looks like. So it has a countdown and see. Okay, so lift off. Now it is working, so means that Claude passed this test. Now it is time for the last and final AI, Grok, and see if it can nail it. Now let's click on the Launch Rocket button and see if it actually works. So it actually took off and Grok passed this test. Alright, rounds 1 and 2 are officially over. We tested these AIs in writing and HTML animation and the results were pretty clear. In round 1, ChatGPT and Claude stood out with emotional, well-written stories, but in round 2, ChatGPT and DeepSeek failed to deliver working animations. Only Claude and Grok made it through with solid results. So putting both rounds together, the winner is Claude, consistent, creative, and the only one that delivered in both challenges. That's it for this video. We keep it short, creative, and fun, and now you know which AI models stand out in writing and in real-world coding. More cool videos are on the way, so make sure to subscribe if you enjoyed this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.